Yo, what's up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Just doing a little fast unboxing. Now I'm doing this unboxing really different from the way how I normally do it. So, it is hot in here. I got my fan off like that, and you could probably start and see glistening on my skin. You're gonna start seeing it in a few because it's hot in here, and I got this ring light in here and this computer, everything. It's like a heat box up here. But I got the product from Sweetwater. So here's the product right here. And Sweetwater's also gave you some candy. Some candy. And you get the picture right here, tell you who was packed, basically who packaged it and everything. They give you a nice little sweet this nah water sticker. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is right now we're gonna test out this mic booster and see if it gets rid of some of this ringing. So I'm gonna do this live on stream. Hopefully that it doesn't lag out my computer or whatever. But I really don't want to put it on the back of my microphone, to be honest. I'm gonna go out and buy a small XLR today or tomorrow. Probably just purchase it. Because I really don't want to have this plugged into the back of my mic. So I'd rather just have it hanging. So let's unbox the other part. I am going to be turning RTX voice off. So I can hear everything. My fan, everything is off. Okay, get the menu. This right here. And the booster right here. I really don't want to plug this into my mic. But the show must go on. So let's turn RTX voice off. And I'm gonna have to bring up my Go XLR Mini settings because I know it's gonna bring up the volume high, so I might have to mess with some settings on here. Just waiting for RTX voice to turn off. There it goes. Let's minimize this and Go XLR Mini app. Let me just minimize this video real quick. Exit. Just bear with me a second, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing on screen real quick. Just trying to get the Go XLR application back open because I have to make some settled changes because I am doing this. Did it open up? Okay, there we go. Minimize this, put this back to full screen. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is we're gonna go silent for a second. Let's move the mic over here. I might need some extension towards this. I don't know yet, but let's pop this in the mic and see how much more gain we actually get. So let's do this now. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that's loud. That is loud. Testing. 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 Ooh, that's loud. So it is actually quiet. That is quiet. Testing. 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 Okay. Jesus, this thing is freaking loud. Ooh. So, testing, testing. So this thing is giving it a lot of boost, and I'm actually pushing it down to 35. Wow. Yeah, I can. If I put it up in the high, I'm peaking. Like, okay, let's take it down from 55 to about right there. And it's clean audio too. God damn. My microphone is actually picking up all that sounds. Okay. So as you can see now, I am peaking and Jesus Christ. I'm not hearing that ringing no more. I gotta do one thing. I have to do one thing before I switch it up. And I gotta put it to my normal setting that I would normally have it at. So um testing, testing. So this would be the settings that I have. Let me see if I hear that ringing. I hear a little bit of the white noise. A little bit of it. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So bear with me for a second. Bear with me. Bro, like this thing is just OD loud. All right, so 38, and I can no longer put it on dynamic. As soon as I switch it to dynamic, I can no longer hear anything. For okay, testing, 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 testing. So once it's off of that, once it's off of that, I literally can't hear anything really at all. Testing, 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 testing. Jesus, yo, this thing is freaking loud. Hold on, like I'm peaking and I got it at 38. Hold on, let me go lower. All right, so I'm still peaking at 38. Okay, I have it on 22. All right, I'm on 22 right now. And as I look at it, I'm still peaking on the freaking the Go XLR. I'm still peaking on it. Let me put it down lower. Okay. So I'm look like I'm no longer peaking. And this is how I'll have it on the record settings to make me sound clearer. So I guess this is the settings I would actually use right now. So how do I sound? I don't hear no static. I don't hear that ringing no more. And I don't hear that white noise. So yeah, guys, pick this up. $35 now in Sweetwater. You can get the CT1 or you can get the CM1. I think I'm gonna buy the CM1 also for my other mic. I'm gonna pick another one of these up. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be getting this. This is on my lowest settings, and this is for the way how I want to have my audio quality for the sound, and it just sounds way better. Yeah, it just sounds way better. Like, yeah, like I'm getting more of that bass. I have this set at 22. I don't know exactly how it's gonna be when you guys hear it, but I got it on condenser. No, I don't even have it set to 22. I have this set at 16 dBs. And on my slobs, it's showing me in the yellows. But when I'm talking directly into the meter, it shows that I'm in the lows. So let's bring it up a little. And I'm hearing clear audio right now. Let's bring it, not that loud. Let's keep it at 30%. Actually, no, 27%. So I'm keeping it right here. And I have the settings that I originally had it on. I don't hear that ringing no more. I don't even have to have my makeup gain. So let's turn on the makeup gain. So I got the makeup gain to 2 dBs on my compressor at 17. Do I still have it at 45? Yes, I do. So 2 dBs, and my threshold is at 17 dBs. So this is basically how I sound like this. If I switch up the settings, put it back to my streaming, it's going to be loud because I do have it a little bit different. So this is how I have it on this settings. Now let me go back towards my streaming settings. Okay, this is my streaming settings. My streaming settings, I normally had it set at 55 on here. So you might hear the audio start going down. That's because it's no longer on the condenser part, and it's still on dynamic. So let me switch it over before the voice directly cuts off. Okay, so I gotta like lean back, lean back, lean back, and put this down to 38. Actually, probably even lower than that. So this is with the settings that I have on here a little bit different. So which I am in a loud position, but this one is with a different just gonna cut that off because I don't want to save the settings. This one I have my EQ at 1 and 0, my threshold on my compressor at 17 dBs and 4 dBs, 17 minus 17 dBs on the threshold and 4 dBs on the makeup gain. So and I have nothing. I don't even have RTX even running. So let's turn on RTX. And I'm going to put the fan on in the background. Actually, I don't even need the fan on, but I want to hear how this sounds basically once it cuts on with the sounds. And this thing looks big. That's what she said. That thing is like poking out all the way, man. I don't like it that far out, man. Like I feel like this thing is going to just snap my cord. So I need to go buy another XLR cable. But yeah, this is how it sounds. I am peaking. I'm loud. This is on my streaming side. So because I have this boost, I might be able to put it on the way how I normally would have it. So yeah, guys, this is the video. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. deuces. Go pick this up at sweetwater.com. I'll put the link in the description. Pick one up because they sell out very quick, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.